There's no one single way to use a computer. Everyone utilizes his or her computer in a unique way. The beauty of Snow Leopard is the ability to customize the interface to suit your needs, whether it be customizing the screensaver or adjusting the interface to suit your needs. You'll learn how to do it in this chapter. Let's see how easy it is to customize Snow Leopard. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how you can customize your desktop to make it a more personal working environment for you and your particular account. In order to customize the desktop, which is the main picture that we see on our screen, we're going to click on the Apple menu in the upper left corner of your screen and choose System Preferences. And I'm going to click on the desktop and screensaver icon under the Personal category at the top of the Preferences pane. So I'll click on that, and that's going to show me the parameters of setting the desktop picture. Now, you want to make sure that you're clicked on the desktop icon at the top of the screen so that you're working in the proper category. And this icon right here tells you the current desktop that is set for your computer. And currently it's using the Aurora desktop. I can change the desktop a number of different ways. In the left side of the Preferences pane here, I can choose from a variety of desktop pictures that are listed over here, so I can click on any one of these and my desktop will then change to the one that I've selected. So you have a bunch of choices here that you can choose. We can go into the Nature category and we can choose from a bunch of different desktop pictures to use in this particular example. Some pretty nice images that we can use here. And once again, Aurora desktop that was originally set. And you can spend some time experimenting with these. You have plants. We can choose from a variety of different plants, art, black and white images. These are pretty nice. Slide this over so we can see this. We can click on abstract, which is just a bunch of abstract images, patterns, and then finally solid colors. Now, what's really nice about this Preferences pane here is that we can actually utilize one of our folders and choose images from any of our folders. So if I click on the Pictures folder, if I had any pictures in here, it would display them in this window. And in this particular example, because our images were in a subfolder of the Pictures folder, we need to add them because it can't actually see those subfolders. So I can simply click on the plus sign, and if I go to my home folder under Pictures, I'm going to choose the Creative folder and then click Choose. And now it's going to show me all those images that are currently inside of the Creative folder. Now what I'm going to do, I actually have a desktop background that I'm going to use for the remainder of these video tutorials. So I'm going to click the plus sign and I'm going to choose my Documents folder. And that's going to allow me to choose from any of the images inside of that folder. So if I click on this one, this is going to display my Total Training desktop background. You can also choose to change the picture every so many minutes. So if I choose this option, I can specify whether I want every 5 seconds, every minute, and so on and so forth. And you can also choose some other options. If I click off of this, I'm going to uncheck Change Picture. I can specify whether I want the translucent menu bar as well. And to see this, if I choose one of my more abstract images, you can see that my menu bar is semi-translucent and that the image kind of extends up into the menu bar. So those are just some of the options that we can choose. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my Total Training desktop, and then I will quit System Preferences, and now you can see the desktop that I've chosen for my particular